How to fix Instagram post not loading on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram post not loading on Android phone. First thing, just open settings and then scroll down, scroll until you find apps, click on it and then click apps again, and here just type Instagram and click on it, and as you see here you will find storage, and then I'll just click clear cache and go back and then go to permissions, and you need to enable all of those here. Now go back again and restart your phone, and and then your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just go back here, settings, and then click storage and clean up. Now just clean this one, junk files or cache. This one, just click clean up and it will be cleaned. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.